Principal value is the solution of a trigonometric equation or trigonometric function which is lying between 0 to 2 pi nana. Right? So next is general solution. General solution is the solution of a trigonometric equation or trigonometric function that is dealing with infinity angle, like more than 2 pi as well. Right? So yesterday in the last session we studied about principal value and the performance of the trigonometric ratios or trigonometric equations in different cases, like sin theta is equal to sin alpha, cos theta is equal to cos alpha, tan theta is equal to tan alpha. Then we also seen some general formats or general forms or general solutions of those trigonometric models, right? So and also solve some problems on principal value. So let us continue. Before going to that, quickly review the trigonometric, these general solutions. So in case of sin theta is equal to sin alpha, the solution is theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into alpha, n belongs to z. Then the general solution of cos theta is equal to cos alpha, in this case 2n pi plus or minus alpha. So sin theta is equal to sin alpha అయినప్పుడు పాజిటివ్ sin alpha విచ్ క్వాడ్రంట్ ఏ క్వాడ్రంట్స్ వస్తుంది 1, 2 క్వాడ్రంట్స్ లో వస్తుంది, రైట్? అందుకే n పై ప్లస్ n పై మైనస్, అంతే. n పై ప్లస్ అంటే ఫస్ట్ క్వాడ్రంట్, n పై మైనస్ అంటే సెకండ్ క్వాడ్రంట్. గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, n అనేది ఆడ్ నెంబర్ అయినప్పుడు సెకండ్ క్వాడ్రంట్ లో వస్తుంది, రైట్? ఇన్ కేస్ ఆఫ్ ఈవెన్ అయినప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ క్వాడ్రంట్ లో వస్తుంది. బికాస్ ఆల్వేస్ 2 పై 4 పై ఈవెన్ అంటే 2 పై 4 పై ఆ విధంగా వస్తాయి కదా. సో వీ కెన్ నెగ్లెక్ట్ 2 పై అండ్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ ఆఫ్ దట్ 2 పై, రైట్? నెక్స్ట్ ఇన్ కేస్ ఆఫ్ కాస్ theta కాస్ ఆల్ఫా, ఫస్ట్ క్వాడ్రంట్ అండ్ ఫోర్త్ క్వాడ్రంట్. సో 2n పై ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ ఆల్ఫా. ఇన్ కేస్ ఆఫ్ ప్లస్ ఆల్ఫా ఇట్ విల్ బికమ్ ఫస్ట్ క్వాడ్రంట్, ఇన్ కేస్ ఆఫ్ మైనస్ ఆల్ఫా ఇట్ విల్ కమ్ fourth quadrant, right? So every trigonometric equation or every trigonometric function has two solutions or two principal values. We need to consider which one? Shortest distance or shortest angle. Clear? That thing is clear, right? Yesterday.
Yes, sir.
Next, if in case of tan theta, here it is n pi plus alpha. So for the odd numbers it is first quadrant, for the even numbers it is odd numbers కి వచ్చేసి థర్డ్ క్వాడ్రంట్ వస్తుంది, ఈవెన్ కి ఫస్ట్ క్వాడ్రంట్ వస్తుంది. ఎస్, రైట్? సో నెక్స్ట్ ఇన్ కేస్ ఆఫ్ sin theta is equal to 0, that is theta is equal to n pi, sin n pi is 0, cos tan n pi is 0, cos theta కి 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, right? Next in case of sin square theta is equal to sin square alpha, cos square theta is equal to cos square alpha, tan square theta is equal to tan square alpha. Then in this case common general solution is theta is equal to n pi plus or minus alpha, because why it is dealing with entire angles. Here it is sin square or sin square alpha, so whatever it is negative sign it will become positive while squaring on both sides, right? So now try to see problems. For n belongs to z, cos 2 theta is equal to under root 5 plus 1 by 4, then theta is equal to, yes. చూడండి, ఇంకోటి చెప్తున్నాను. కాస్ 2 theta, కాస్ 3 theta, కాస్ n theta ఏదన్నా ఇవ్వని, మనకు తెలిసింది ఏంది? కాస్ theta is equal to కాస్ ఆల్ఫా. ఈ కేసులో జనరల్ సొల్యూషన్ ఏమవుతుంది? 2n పై ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ ఆల్ఫా, రైట్? సో ఇక్కడ ఏదన్నా వని నాన్న, ఇక్కడ 2 theta ఇచ్చాడు. ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఇక్కడ మీకు జనరల్ సొల్యూషన్ ఏమొచ్చింది? థీటాకి వచ్చింది, రైట్? సో ఫస్ట్ థింగ్ థీటా ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 2n పై ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ ఆల్ఫా. నెక్స్ట్ కేసులో ఈ థీటా ఏమవుతుందంటే 2 theta అవుతుంది, దట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 2n పై ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ ఆల్ఫా ఏదైతే వస్తుందో. వాట్ ఈజ్ ఆల్ఫా? ఆల్ఫా ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ యువర్ ప్రిన్సిపల్ వాల్యూ, రైట్? సో కాస్ 2 theta ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు రూట్ 5 ప్లస్ 1 by 4. ఎక్కడ వస్తుంది కాస్లో మనకి? కాస్ 36, దట్ ఈస్ కాస్ 5 by 5, right? So now alpha is equal to pi by 5. If you substitute here, 2 theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus what? Pi by 5, right? So now we require the solution for theta. It will become dividing 2 on both sides. It will become n pi plus or minus pi by 10. Which option is correct? Option 4 is correct, Nana. Right? You can see the solution here. Cos theta is equal to cos pi by 6, that is cos 36. So in case of cos theta is equal to cos alpha అయినప్పుడు theta is equal to 2n pi plus alpha plus or minus alpha nana. Here theta is equal to ఎంత ఉంది? 2 theta ఉంది. Next alpha is equal to pi by 6, 5 by 4. Just substitute that. You will get theta is equal to n pi plus or minus pi by 10. Now just moving to the next question. The general solution of tan 3 theta is equal to 1. Tell me what is the principal value. You need to write these two conditions. That is, we know that is tan theta is equal to tan alpha. Then the general solution is what? Theta is equal to n pi plus alpha. Right? So theta is equal to theta only. Theta is equal to how much here? 3 theta.
3.
So next 1. How we can write 1 in tan? Tan pi by 4 or 45. So alpha is equal to what, ma? Pi by 4. So general solution theta is equal to n pi plus alpha. Theta is equal to 3 theta. That is equal to n pi plus pi by 4. 4. So now theta will become what, Nana? N pi by 3 plus pi by 12. Clear? Which option is correct?
4.
You need to do like this. ఇక్కడ ఏది ఇచ్చాడో అది ఇంపార్టెంట్. అక్కడ మనం 3 theta కట్ చేయాల్సింది, thetaకి ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. రైట్?
ఆప్షన్ 2 గాని అదే ఉంది ఆన్సర్.
Option 2 is also that one. Okay. Be written same. So both are correct. Now try to solve this question. 4 sin x cos x is equal to root 3, then x is equal to. How to solve this question?
2 sin 2x is equal to root 3.
Yes. 4 sin x cos x ఉందా? దీని 4 ని 2 into 2 రాసుకుంటాను. సో అప్పుడు 2 sin x cos x ఏమవుతుంది? sin 2x is equal to, ఇక్కడ ఉన్న 2 అటు సైడ్ పంపిస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? root 3 by 2. రైట్? సో sin లో మనం root 3 by 2 ఎప్పుడు రాసుకోవచ్చు? pi by 3. Now tell me what is theta? Theta is here 2x and alpha is what? 5 by 3. So now general solution in case of sin theta is equal to sin alpha, that is theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into alpha. So theta is equal to 2x, that is equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into what is alpha? Pi by 3. Next x is equal to what? n pi by 2 plus minus 1 whole power n into pi by 6. Which option is correct?
4.
4. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Right? So in this way you need to solve. ఇక్కడ టీటాని ఫస్ట్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి, ఆల్ఫాని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసుకోవాలి, రిమైనింగ్ వచ్చిందని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి అంతే. Now try to solve this question. Tan square theta is equal to sin square pi by 2. We know sin pi by 2. What is sin pi by 2? 1. Means it is 1 square, right? So 1 square tan లో మనం ఏం రాసుకోవచ్చు? tan pi by 4 రాసుకోవచ్చా? tan pi by 4 whole square. So now it is in the form of tan square theta is equal to tan square alpha. What is the case here? Theta is equal to n pi plus or minus alpha. This is the general solution, right? In case of tan square theta is equal to tan square alpha. So here theta is equal to theta only. Alpha is equal to what? Pi by 4. So then theta is equal to n pi plus or minus pi by 4 is the correct answer. Clear?
Yes, sir.
n pi plus or minus pi by 4. Now try to see the next question and tell me the answer.
n pi plus
n pi plus 5 by 4.
Very good. You can directly say from the options. First choose the belongs to Q3. It won't work here. Pi by 4. Just it is a principal solution, principal value. Here asking general solution. Coming to fourth option, it is 2n pi plus pi by 4. So manaki n pi plus వస్తుంది, 2n pi రాదు. right? Option 3 is correct. Or if you want to solve this, you can solve this by using tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A into tan B, that is equal to tan of A minus B, that is tan of 3x minus 2x is equal to 1. It will become tan x is equal to 1. Principal value alpha will become pi by 4. Then the general solution of tan theta is equal to tan alpha is theta is equal to n pi
4.
plus r plus alpha only. Sorry, right? You can see here, if you solve this thing, it will become tan x is equal to 1, that is 45. So theta is equal to x, alpha is equal to pi by 4. Then in the case of tan theta is equal to tan alpha, general solution is theta is equal to n pi plus alpha. Then x will become n pi plus pi by 4. Right? Clear?
Okay.
Now, next question. The most general solution of theta satisfying both the equations sin theta is equal to 1 by 2 and tan theta is equal to 1 by 3. It's not 1 by 3, it's root 1 by root 3 nana. Chundana, the most general solution of theta satisfying the both the equations. ఇలాంటి క్వశ్చన్ వచ్చింది అనుకోండి, 3 కేసెస్ నానా. ఫస్ట్ కేసు వచ్చేసి ప్రిన్సిపల్ వాల్యూని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయడము, దీని రేంజ్ వచ్చేసి 0 to 2 పై ఉంటుంది. సెకండ్ కేసులో వచ్చేసి మీకు జనరల్ సొల్యూషన్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయడము. ఈ జనరల్ సొల్యూషన్ లో మీకు ఎలా ఉంటుందంటే కనుక ఎనీ 2 క్వాడ్రంట్స్ లో ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అవుతుంది. Say yes or no? Whether it is plus, it will become in existing in 2 quadrants. If it is minus, it is existing in other 2 quadrants. Next వచ్చేసి most general solution. Most general solution satisfy means here they will give 2 conditions or 2 trigonometric equations that need to be satisfied at same time. Like ఇప్పుడు చెప్పాలంటే కనుక ఇప్పుడు sin theta tan theta రెండు ఎక్కడెక్కడ పాజిటివ్ అవుతాయి, రెండు ఒకే చోట పాజిటివ్ అయ్యేది ఎక్కడ? ఫస్ట్
First
క్వాడ్రంట్ లో, రైట్?
quadrant.
ఎస్, ఫస్ట్ క్వాడ్రంట్. సో ఇన్ కేస్ పాజిటివ్ అయినప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ క్వాడ్రంట్, ఇన్ కేస్ నెగిటివ్ అవ్వాలంటే ఏ క్వాడ్రంట్?
Second quadrant.
Fourth quadrant.
ఫోర్త్ క్వాడ్రంట్ లో రెండు నెగిటివ్ అయితే కదా, రైట్? సో మోస్ట్ సాటిస్ఫైయింగ్ జనరల్ సొల్యూషన్ అంటే కినా 2n పై ప్లస్ ఆల్ఫా నాన్న. ఇది ప్రతి ఒక్కదానికి కామన్ అన్న, 2n పై ప్లస్ ఆల్ఫా, రైట్? సో ఇఫ్ యు సీ ఫర్ దిస్ క్వశ్చన్ sin theta is equal to 1 by 2, what is alpha here?
Pi by 6.
Pi by 6. Very good. Next, in case of tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3, then
5 pi by 6.
pi by 6 only, right? So here general solution theta will become 2n pi plus pi by 6. That's it అన్న. Means 2n pi plus alpha అంటే ఏ క్వాడ్రంట్ వస్తుంది మనకి? Yes. If you put
First
n as,
quadrant.
sorry,
First quadrant.
first quadrant,
First quadrant.
depending upon the value of alpha, maybe it is existing in fourth quadrants as well.
Yes,
Say yes
sir.
or no?
Yes, sir.
Right? So for this it is lying in the first quadrant only. 2n pi plus alpha, that is 2n pi plus pi by 6 only. Even though if you put n is equal to 0, it will become pi by 6. If you put n is equal to 1, it will become 2 pi plus pi by 6. If you put n is equal to 2, it will become 4 pi plus pi by 6, like that. Whatever it is, so the most general solution అంటే కన్నా 2n pi plus or minus alpha నాన్న. ఇది అన్నిటికీ సేమే, రైట్? సో ఓన్లీ జనరల్ సొల్యూషన్ ఉన్నప్పుడు అది 2 క్వాడ్రంట్స్ లో ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అవ్వచ్చు. నౌ ట్రై టు సీ దిస్ క్వశ్చన్. Tan theta into tan of 120 minus theta into tan of 120 plus theta is equal to 1 by root 3. Then theta is equal to. Here I want to tell one formula. Maybe it is not mentioned here. This tan theta into tan of 120 minus theta into tan of 120 plus theta will become tan 3 theta nana. Note it somewhere. Right. Tan theta into tan of 120 minus theta into tan of 120 plus theta will become tan 3 theta is equal to 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 tan ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది?
Pi by 6.
Pi by 6.
Tan.
Now tell me the general solution.
Option 3, sir.
ఆప్షన్ 3 డైరెక్ట్లీ n పై ప్లస్ ఆల్ఫా వస్తుంది. n పై ఇక్కడ 3 తీటా ఉంది కాబట్టి 3 డివైడ్ అవుతుంది. ఇక్కడ పై బై 6 ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి 3 తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే 6 into 3 18. దట్స్ ఇట్, రైట్? So here it will come tan 3 theta. So then tan theta is equal to tan pi by 6. Alpha theta will become 3 theta. Alpha is equal to pi by 6. So here if you find this theta, n pi by 3 plus pi by 18. Clear? Next question. Here also you need to note down one more formula. Cos theta into cos of 120 plus theta into cos of 120 minus theta is equal to 1 by 4 cos 3 theta. Yes. In case of this cos, it will come 1 by 4 cos 3 theta. In case of sin, it will come 1 by 4 sin 3 theta. Only for the tan, it is only tan 3 theta. Right? So now try to solve this thing. Tell me the answer. What is the principal value here?
Option 3, sir.
Very good. If you see the options, 2n pi. So ఇక్కడ 3 theta ఉంది, ఖచ్చితంగా 3 తో డివైడ్ అవ్వాలి. 2n pi by 3 plus or minus pi by 3 is the principal value because 1 by 2 cos 60 is 1 by 2. So 1 by this is pi by 3 into 3 will come pi by 9 nana. So this cos theta into cos of 120 plus theta into cos of 120 minus theta అని నేను 1 by 4 cos 3 theta రాసుకున్నాను. So 4 will get cancel here is equal to 1 by 2, that is cos pi by 3. So here theta is equal to 3 theta and alpha is pi by 3. So theta will come 2n pi by 3 plus or minus pi by 9. Clear? Option 3 is correct. Yes, clear? Next, the general solution of tan theta is equal to 3 cot theta is. You can go with the option verification as well. Or you can convert this
Option
tan theta. Option 3. Option 3 is correct.
Option 1.
Option 1 is correct. Yes. If you try to find this in normal way, tan theta is equal to 3 into, we can write this as 1 by 10. If you take this tan to this side, it will come tan square theta. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This 3 can be written as tan pi by 3 square. Tan square pi by 3. That is tan pi by 3 is root 3. Root 3 whole square is 3 only. Right? So here tan square theta is equal to tan square alpha. Then theta is equal to n pi plus or minus
Minus
alpha. Right? So that is n pi plus or minus alpha is pi by 3. Or if you want to do, so if you substitute this pi by 3 here, it will come tan pi by 3, that is root 3, that is equal to 3 into tan cot pi by 3, that is 1 by root 3. Right? So this cancel with root 3 times, both are equal. So option 1 is correct. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now try to solve this question. Sin of theta minus 25 is equal to minus root 3 by 2. Then general solution of theta is. Do this question very carefully. What is the principal value?
Minus pi by 3.
Very good. It's minus pi by 3. Now tell me what is theta here?
Theta
It is
minus
simply
25.
whatever there here. Right? Theta minus 25.
20.
In case of sin theta is equal to sin alpha, what is the general solution? Theta is equal to n pi
Pi.
plus minus 1 whole power n into alpha. So theta minus 25 is equal to n pi minus 1 whole power n into minus pi
Pi by
by 3. సో ఇక్కడ -1 ఉందా? సో నేను ఈ -1 ఏం రాసుకుంటాను అంటే కనుక ఇందులో కలిపేసి n plus 1 రాసుకుంటున్నాను. అండ్ సెండింగ్ దిస్ -25 టు దట్ సైడ్. theta is equal to n pi plus -1 whole power n plus 1. into pi by 3. Fine. Plus 20.
25.
Right? So which option is correct?
Option 3.
Option B. Here it is plus 1 here mentioned. Option 2 is correct. Right? సో ఇక్కడ మైనస్ వన్ని మైనస్ పై బై త్రీలో మైనస్ వన్ నేను ఇక్కడ యాడ్ చేసింటే n ప్లస్ 1 అయింది నాన్న. అంతే, దట్స్ ఇట్. క్లియర్?
Yes, sir.
Right. Let's move to the next question. For n belongs to z, 2 sin square theta is equal to cos 2 theta, then theta by 2 is equal to. Theta by 2 కి అడిగాడు మా, theta కి అడగలేదు, theta by 2 కి అడిగాడు. Do the question, do the answer carefully. I am giving one hint. You can convert this 2 sin square theta here, cos 2 theta in terms of sin, it will come 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Now take that minus 2 sin square theta to left side, it will become 4 sin square theta is equal to 1. So send that 4 to that side, it will become sin square theta is equal to 1 by 4. You can convert it as sin pi by 6 whole square.
Option 1, sir.
No. అసలు టూ
Option
ఎన్ పై అనేది రాదు.
Option 3.
ఆప్షన్ సి ఇస్ కరెక్ట్. బికాస్ సైన్ స్క్వేర్ theta equals sin square alpha అయినప్పుడు n పై ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ ఆల్ఫా అమ్మా, జనరల్ సొల్యూషన్, నాట్ 2n పై ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ ఆల్ఫా. రైట్? If you see the solution here, 2 sin square theta is equal to cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta I am converting it as 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So then taking this minus 2 sin square theta this side, it will become 4 sin square theta, that is equal to 1. So sin square theta is equal to 1 by 4. Yes or no? So 1 by 4 I am writing it as sin of pi by 6 whole square, that is 1 by 2 whole square. Right? So from this, alpha is equal to pi by 6 and theta is equal to theta only. So then theta is equal to n pi plus or minus pi by 6. They are asking for pi by theta by 2. So you need to divide with by 2 on both sides of theta by 2 is equal to n pi by 2 plus or minus pi by 12. Clear?
Yes, sir.
The more number of questions you solve, then you will get the answer very shortly. Very, very, very shortly. Even you can solve the question within 5 seconds. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Here I provided the solution as well. Just try to see. They are not asking any they are asking general solution. Yes, okay. 1 plus sin x into sin 2x is equal to cos x into cos 2x, then x is equal to. నేను ఇక్కడ ఉన్న sin x sin 2x ని అటు పంపించాను, it will come cos x cos 2x minus sin x sin 2x. It is in the form of cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Right? It is nothing but cos of a plus b. It will come cos of x plus 2x. It is cos 3x. So cos 0. So what is alpha here? 0. Theta is equal to 3x. Right? So if you substitute 3x is equal to, in case of cos theta is equal to cos alpha, general solution is theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha. Alpha is 0 here. So then x will become 2n pi by 3. Nana. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now try to solve this question. I'm giving the hint. Tan 2 theta. Here cot theta is there. Convert this cot into tan. Directly say you can. Here theta is equal to 2 theta and alpha is equal to. Tell me what is alpha.
Two, sir.
Option 2 is correct. Yes. So if you solve this, what will become? Tan 2 theta is equal to cot theta and tan like మార్చితే ఏమవుతుంది? Tan of pi by 2 minus theta, right? So from this directly theta is equal to 2 theta, alpha is equal to pi by 2 minus theta. In case of tan theta is equal to tan alpha. So then general solution is theta is equal to n pi plus alpha. Theta is what? 2 theta. Then n pi plus alpha. So what is alpha? pi by 2 minus theta. Take this
2.
minus theta to this side, it will come plus theta. So it will come 3 theta, that is equal to n pi plus pi by 2. Now theta is equal to n pi by 3
And 5
plus
plus
pi by
5 by
6.
6.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Can I move to the next question?
Yes, sir.
Solution there here. Next question. The most general solution of theta satisfying the both equations cos theta is equal to minus 1 by root 2, comma tan theta is equal to 1 is. సో ఒకసారి మీరు చూస్తే కాస్ అనేది నెగిటివ్ అయిందా? కాస్ అనేది నెగిటివ్ ఏ క్వాడ్రన్స్ లో అవుతుంది? 2, 3, రైట్? నెక్స్ట్ tan అనేది పాజిటివ్ అయిందా? tan అనేది పాజిటివ్ ఎక్కడెక్కడ అవుతుంది?
2, 4. See, 1,
పాజిటివ్ 1, 3. Most satisfying means we need to take the common, that is third quadrant. Your principal value definitely lying in which quadrant? థర్డ్ క్వాడ్రంట్. థర్డ్ క్వాడ్రంట్ లో యాంగిల్ ఎతికితే అయిపోతుంది. ఏ యాంగిల్ చూడండి, దిస్ ఈస్ మోస్ట్ జనరల్ సొల్యూషన్ సాటిస్ఫైయింగ్. సో 2n pi plus t plus alpha, సో 5 pi by 4, రైట్? minus pi by 4 అంటే fourth quadrant, 7 pi by 4 is also fourth quadrant, and 5 pi by is the third quadrant, 3 pi by is the second quadrant, right? So option 1 is correct, Nana. You need to solve the questions like this. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now try to see this question. The general solution of cos 5 theta is equal to cos 3 theta is. So here directly they are saying cos theta is equal to cos alpha here. So theta is equal to endama 5 theta. Alpha is equal to what? 3 theta. Just you need to compare the theta and alpha values, right? So now in case of cos theta is equal to cos alpha, general solution is what? 2n pi plus or minus alpha. In case if you consider 2n pi plus 3 theta, so it will come 5 theta is equal to 2n pi plus 3 theta. Take this plus 3 theta to this side, it will come 2 theta is equal to n pi. Then theta is equal to n pi, right? Next in case of minus theta, it will come theta is equal to n pi by 4. Clear? జస్ట్ మీరు చేయాల్సిన పని ఏంటి, జనరల్ సొల్యూషన్ లో టీటాని ఫస్ట్ రాసుకోవాలి, ఆల్ఫాని ఫస్ట్ రాసుకోవాలి, అంతే, రైట్? అది రాసుకున్న తర్వాత వెదర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇన్ ద సైన్ థీటా ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ సైన్ ఆల్ఫా ఆర్ కాస్ థీటా ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు కాస్ ఆల్ఫా, టాన్ థీటా ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టాన్ ఆల్ఫా ఎలా ఉందో దాన్ని బట్టి నెక్స్ట్ జనరల్ సొల్యూషన్ ని ఫాలో అవ్వాలి. క్లియర్? Now try to see this question. Sin 2x is equal to 4 cos x. So what I am making? Sin 2x. In one case, I am making it as sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x cos x. One cos will get cancelled. 2 and here 4 2 times cancel. So a miglin sin x is equal to 2. Is sin x is equal to possible?
No, sir.
No. So that's why no solution. Next other case is what? I am making this sin 2x, writing as sin 2x as 2 sin x cos x, and cancel this 2 both side. Taken this minus 2 cos x to this side. Now taken cos x common. So here there is one solution exists, that is cos x is equal to 0. Here again sin x minus 2 is equal to 0. This won't exist. So cos x is equal to 0. Here x alpha is pi by 2, right? Then x is equal to 2n pi. In case of cos x is equal to 0, you can see this one. In case of cos theta is equal to 0, what is the general solution? 2n pi plus 1 into pi by 2. It is written here, right? This is the solution. This is different question. We can go through this. Next question. Root 3 sin x plus cos x is equal to 4. Then equation has only one solution, two solution, three solution, or no solution.
No solution.
Very good. No solution. Because sin and cos has the maximum of 1 only. It won't possible at the same time. Even it is possible. 1 plus 1 it will come 2 only. It is not 4. So option 4 is correct, Nana.